In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out which template a Squarespace site is using. We'll use Squarespace's own template gallery and its guided setup to narrow down options and compare designs, so you can confidently identify the closest match. Start by heading to squarespace.com. On the home page, click Get Started. Squarespace will walk you through a short setup that helps filter the templates. When you see the question, "What's your site about?" pick the category that best matches the site you're trying to identify. For example, if the site looks like a portfolio, choose something in creative or services. If it sells products, lean toward commerce. This helps reduce the noise and puts you in the right design neighborhood. Click. Next to move on. When asked, "What do you want to do with your website?" choose the goal that mirrors the site you're researching. Sell products, showcase work, write a blog, or book services. Again, click Next. You'll be asked how you'd like to get started. Choose the option to browse and choose a template. This takes you to the full template gallery. On the templates page, you'll see a headline and a grid of designs. Use the filters and result count to refine what you're seeing. Open the category or topic filters to explore popular designs. Then adjust the type filters if needed. Online store, portfolio, blog, or other formats, depending on what you observed on the site you're analyzing. Each filter you apply updates the results so you can focus on the most relevant layouts. Now, scroll through the grid and click a template thumbnail to open its details. Look closely at the home page structure, header navigation style, hero sections, gallery or product grids, and the way text and images are arranged. Fonts and spacing also give strong clues. Compare these elements to the site you're investigating. You're aiming for the closest base layout and section patterns, knowing that many real sites add custom styling on top. If a design looks promising, select Start with this design to open a live preview environment. You don't need to build anything, just use the preview to explore the pre-built pages, section blocks, and default styling. This deeper look makes it easier to confirm whether the template structure matches what you saw on the site. A quick tip. Modern Squarespace sites can be heavily customized, so you're identifying the likeliest starting template rather than an exact clone. Focus on recurring section types and page layouts rather than colors or images, which are easy to change. That's it. By using Squarespace's guided filters, browsing targeted templates, and previewing a design's default structure, you can pinpoint the template family that most closely matches the site you're researching.